Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and I cannot wait to show you this month's BeautyFIX box from DERMSTORE. If you are not familiar with BeautyFIX from DERMSTORE, it is a monthly subscription box that's going to have products that you can get from the DERMSTORE website. You get samples and full-size products in this box. These prices will go down depending on how many months at a time you subscribe for. Also, if you pay ahead or pay monthly for those boxes, they start at $24.95 a month and go down depending on how you want to subscribe. I will leave the link below so you can check it out. This is the second of my 3 boxes that I subscribe for. We'll see if we want to keep it for if I want to subscribe for another 3 months. I said on the last one of these, on the first box, which was only a few weeks ago, that I subscribed again specifically for the September box that we already got and reviewed. And I got it at the end of September, which is why it's only been a week or 2 since you've seen it. But for the mask that was in that box, and it's already been used. My sister loved it. But the mask itself was over $30 just for the mask. The box was way less than that. So just for the box, just for the mask, I ordered the subscription. I decided to go ahead and get the 3 months and see how it goes. And this box is heavy. So I can't wait to see what's in this one. First peek, I really don't have a clue what's in here. So you guys can see. Let's check it out. Ooh, I'm excited for some of this stuff already. Okay. My first box is from Wander Beauty, and this is upgraded lashes, and this is a thickening mascara. And it is actually stickers shut. I'm going to leave it shut because I don't want to open it. It'll dry out, but this is a jet black Wander Beauty mascara. So that's a great one. I know these are a good value. I'll start posting in the corner what the value of each item is. And if it's only a sample, we'll try to get the best idea of it that we can. So Wander Beauty mascara. Our next product is from First Aid Beauty, and this is the Ultra Repair Cream, and this is a 1 ounce. I'm pretty sure this is a sample size, a deluxe sample, but I will leave that information in the corner along with the retail for the full size and what that size is. But our second item is from First Aid Beauty, so another great product. Our next one is a sample from Skin Cuticles, and this says this is an Age Interrupter Advanced, and this is a concentrated corrective cream, helps reverse visible signs of aging impacted by glycation, I don't know, and collagen. So that is the information. You guys can tell me how you actually say those words. But this is a visible improvement for 5 lines plus 5 types of wrinkles. I'm pretty sure I have at least 5 types of wrinkles, so that's really cool. This is a sample size, and let's see what our little sample, our full size obviously would be in a tub. This one isn't, okay, this is a little overkill for this one. Teeny little squeezy tube, and this is a 3 ml. So this is the tiny little bit. You might get 2 uses out of that if you're lucky. So I don't know that you'll really see any wrinkle improvement with that. But if you already use this product and you need a little sample for traveling, that is a great deal. Ooh, this next one is from Vichy. And this is a improved formula of the Lift Active 16% Pure Vitamin C Brightening Serum. And this is a really cute little sample that it comes in. It comes in a little glass bottle with a dropper and a squeezy top. So that's really cool. Okay, I'm really not sure what the brand of this is. It might be Allies of Skin, but it has something on the back that says formulated by Nicholas Travis, so I'm not sure, but you can discover more with that QR code. But this is a Vitamin C Omegas Cleansing Balm, and this is a Step 1 cleanser, daily use, AM or PM. This is a 3.4 ounce size. Ooh, and it's nice. I like the metallic-y shiny blue. It comes in a squeezy tube. That is a really nice one. Again, this is a 3.4 ounce size. Our last one is from Briogeo, and this one I'm fairly certain is the full size because I've actually got this product in my bathroom as we speak. And this is Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1 Leave-In Spray. So this is a leave-in conditioner, which I actually do use a lot, a leave-in conditioner. Perfect product for me. I like that one. So obviously we got our money's worth. They do promise you $100 or more value in this box. I would be surprised if we didn't exceed that by quite a bit for these products that are in this box. So we got a few samples, a few full-size products, total of 6 items in this box from BeautyFIX by DERMSTORE. If you did enjoy this box and would like to see more of this specific subscription, let me know in the comments, because like I said, this is 2 of 3 that I have committed to. And if I don't know that you guys want to see it, or are interested in it, I probably won't resubscribe unless they end up with another one of those $30 masks, then I'll have to. But I want to thank you guys for joining me today going through this box. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell. For now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.